We are currently in the parking garage for the Double Tree in downtown Tallahassee. We're gonna show you a full tour of this hotel because it's right downtown. In fact, right there's the Capitol. Kind of confusing on how you get in here, but we are currently on the third level because they do have a parking garage. Third level is self-park. Second level is valet, but we're gonna unload, go to the lobby, check in, show you the room, show you around the whole hotel. And if you're coming to Tallahassee, this might be a good spot for you to be in because you're right here. You can walk to everything. Again, never been to Tallahassee before, so this is a first for us. But also as a side note, we were trying to book this hotel on a Friday to a Saturday. It was very expensive, like $400 some, and it was sold out Saturday to Sunday, 200 bucks. But anyway, we'll go into all details here in a little bit. Let's go check it out. So again, level 3 is where you self-park. It says online it's $34 to self-park. And I think it said valet's $36. So if you're into valet, I mean, it's only a couple more bucks. But as we're walking to the front, I think there's like this door we can go in here maybe that'll take us down. We'll see. And if you have a big vehicle, it does get kind of tight up here in this parking garage. But, and there's additional parking this way. Cars only beyond this point, so that way there's cars. I'm guessing this is where you can enter. Oh, it's right next to the elevators. Hotel registration located on the first floor. Look at this. This looks like a fancy Double Tree. Here's the lobby area. Oh yeah, this is cool. It shows they have they probably serve Starbucks here. This would typically be like, I guess if you're doing valet, you would pull up under here and this is where you would enter. This is where you check in. They do have a little store in here with some drinks, snacks. I love the way they decorated in here. It's also kind of confusing because the address will tell you like to come over to this side, but this is the front of it, so you have to come this way, and the parking garage is just right over there. Yeah, Starbucks. Oh. So it's not really like an actual Starbucks, but they serve Starbucks coffee. And I don't know, we'll see. They can probably do limited stuff, I'd say. We're pretty close to the Capitol building, just a block or so down. This is nice. I like it. They did say we could go to a higher floor, so they put us on a higher floor, which I love views, so this is gonna be great. Look at the chandelier. I guess Jacob's is a restaurant right here. Breakfast hours of operation, Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 9:30, Saturday and Sunday, 7 to 10. There's 16 floors and we are on floor 12 with a Capitol view. I love these mirrors. We are 12:19, so to the left. As far as check-in goes, I think it's like normal time, like 4 o'clock or whatever. 12:19. Here is a tour of the room. Got it zoomed out all the way. There's a couple queen beds. Decent sized TV. I'm guessing there's a fridge in one of those, possibly. Yep. Right there it is. And what's nice is, look at this. There's a desk. Oh, is that safe? There's a desk right here and overlooks the Capitol, which is literally right there. And down below, the pool, which is a nice feature. If we turn around, here is the view this way. Just it's a decent room. I think the main thing is the location. Got to do a bed test and then show you the bathroom, but I like it. This is a pretty amazing view. And like I said, all you do is just walk right down here. So it's not a far walk at all. We are gonna walk around the Capitol just to see it, because this is the first time ever seeing it. And then probably walk a little bit just downtown, but nice. Bed test. Oh, these are soft beds. You sink. And the bathroom. There was the door we entered, just a closet, I guess.
Yeah, with the ironing board.
Oh, okay, yeah. Zoomed all the way out so you can see the bathroom. With a mirror. And then over here, shower. So, for the price and location, seems to be a pretty good spot. I think we'll head to the front, show you the front. They did give you a little parking sticker you have to go put on your car. And then there's not a whole lot to show here. I don't think breakfast is included. There was also not a cookie, because it is a Double Tree. So not all Double Trees give cookies, I guess. And just kind of walk around the outside and probably call it after that. We are heading outside. So this is the street I was referring to. You'll actually come down this street right here, and parking is right on over there to the right. Here's a look at the front. So you can pull under there to like do a drop off, but you have to enter down here. And then here is, I guess, where the rooms are. And then there's the very top where you can like go to the bar or something up there. I don't know what else maybe there is to show. I guess what we'll do is we'll just pause the video here, and maybe come back when it's darker out and have a look at it, and then just see how the beds are and stuff, and tell you in the morning. They got a little pickup window here. All right, we're gonna pause the video. We made it back to the Double Tree. I think all we're gonna do is go to bed tonight. Might look at some of the views since it's nighttime, and then yeah, I'll show the Capitol from the room, and then we will pick back up in the morning. Here is the Capitol at nighttime. Kind of hard to see with the reflections, but not bad. I think we'll pause for tonight. It's the next morning. Pretty foggy day out there. I don't think we're really gonna do much more for this room hotel tour. So I think we're gonna end up ending it here. I will say, beds were pretty small. Beds were not the most comfortable beds I've been in. The shower was about the width of me, and it did tend to be a little warm in here.
It's tight quarters.
Tight quarters. But other than those, I will say location's really good. I didn't think the price was too bad, considering it was half price than it was on a Friday. But I thought it was a good location. I mean, I would still recommend it.
Mm-hmm.
There's not a whole lot of places down here to stay, and this one's really close to the Capitol. So I think we're gonna end it here. If you're looking for a place in Tallahassee, Double Tree's right here. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.